0. Is that right?
Yes.
Yes.
Because 2 plus 0 is definitely less than or equal to 2. So, I mean, I would go insane trying to list them all. Because, now, I want you to realize this. A line by itself has an infinite number of answers. This, a linear inequality, has like an infinite number of answers. You guys understand what I'm saying? It's kind of insane. So I really don't want to list all of them here, right? So let's kind of skip. We already did sort of this first part. So here it kind of replaced the inequality with an equal sign and graph the line. So they use the word dash, so that's good. Use a dash line if it's not equal to. If you see an equal to line, use a solid line. And then they talk about the test point method. Right, but I gave you that alternate method if you want to use it. So go ahead and try the problems out on the other side. And then we'll do them together and then we'll head out.
Let me give you